Hey y'all, it's March and that means the Pies of March 2025. This is a huge collaboration hosted by Leanne at the Mennonite Farmhouse and also Tony from Kettle Kitchen. You'll get a video every day in the month of March with a new pie recipe every single day, and you're going to get some great recipes. You're going to love Leanne and Tony's channel. I'll have them linked down below in the description box, and you're going to love this pie. It's a $1 million pie. Best pie I've ever had in my life. That and cherry cheesecake is probably the my two most favorite pies. And I'm going to share with you that easy recipe today. I'll have the recipe down below. I'll have Leanne and Tony's channel linked down below too. And I'll also have information on their giveaway. I'll have that down below. Just make sure you make a comment on all the videos and you will be entered into the contest. So I'll have all that information down below. So I will go ahead and turn you around and start making this pie. I cannot wait. It's my family's favorite. We love it, and I make it all the time, especially in the spring and summer, which is spring now, so I'm excited to share this with you. So I'll go ahead and get started. All right, here is all the ingredients you're going to need. You will need some lemon juice too. I forgot to put that out. But I'm just using a store-bought crust. You can make your own. I've got some whipped topping here. I've got some sweetened condensed milk. Some pineapple. I didn't have any crust, so I'm going to use my can of home canned pineapple and some chopped pecans. It's really easy. It's just a really easy dump and go pie. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll get a bowl and start mixing everything up. I've got my sweetened condensed milk in here, and I am going to add in the whole container of the Cool Whip. And this does make 2 pies. But this is an extra large pie, it says in here, or graham cracker crust. And I am just going to add all of this to the bowl, or I can just leave half of it in the bowl and eat that straight out of the bowl because it's that good. I'm telling you. All right, so I'm going to mix that together. If you just have pineapple chunks, I just drained mine and cut it up. You don't have to cut it up really fine, but I'm just going to let mine drain for a little bit. And then when it drains, I'll add the pineapple in there. I've also got 3/4 of a cup of pecans. You could also use walnuts. And just mix that in together. Or you could leave them out. All right, drained my pineapple really well. Mix that together. Get that going in. You could also add in oranges. I saw a video where they add in chopped up mandarins, so that would be good too, but I don't like oranges in my pie anyway. All right, last thing is just 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and that is it. Just stir that around, and it's ready for the crust. That easy. Put it into your pie shell. It's that easy. This one's an extra large one, so it's going to fit everything in this pie pan. So you could also put probably some Cool Whip or something on top, but I just like it just like it is. So I'm just going to let it sit in the fridge 2 to 4 hours or up to overnight. Okay, I let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours. You could also freeze this. It does really well. So you can make 1 pie and eat it right away and then freeze 1 pie. But it comes out really good. And I've even put it not in a pie pan but a casserole dish, and it comes out really easy that way too. So I'm going to get a piece and hopefully it'll come out clean. This is always the pie we take for family gatherings and family reunions. Everybody loves it. You could pretty it up and put some pineapples or oranges if you use that on the top, but we like it just like it is. It's the next day. It's Saturday. I've got my glasses on. We got back from Chick-fil-A, and I just had to have a piece of this pie. You've got to try it. It's so good. So simple, but so easy. I've let it sit overnight to get set up. Oh my goodness, it's so good. If you want an easy dump and go pie that takes minutes, literally minutes to put together, 2 or 3 minutes, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. You've got to make it. It's so good. I want to thank Leanne and Tony for hosting. I'll have everything linked below about the giveaway and all the information. So make sure you check out Tony's channel and Leanne's channel. So I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see y'all in the next video.